I'm showing the trades that I took for the last week of February. This is a good week for me as well. I was able to take profit of, I think, $90 or $96. So these are my trades. Again, you're going to see a lot of trend lines in here kasi nga meron akong strategy na tinatry, which is the trend line strategy. So tinatry ko yung strategy ni Tori. Tori trades tayo ngayon, guys. So anyway, this is the first trade. Nag-enter ako ng long in this part is simply because bakit nga ba ako nag-enter dito? I think this is a wrong entry. Nag-enter ako ng long dito sa part na to is because I'm thinking that this is going to try to break this specific trend line like here. So I entered a long, and then unfortunately tinry niyang i-break itong trend line na to, but then again it rejected. It tries to go back down. So kaya ako na stopped out dito sa trade na to. So this is a loss, unfortunately. And then another trade is this one. This is a take profit. I was able to take profit here. Again, yung price is, we can see that this is a downtrend. After niya mag-downtrend, and we can see that somehow this is holding this area. And I was able to take profit here. I entered a long on this part. I think I was looking at a higher time frame in this area. I think in a 15-minute or 30-minute time frame. Hindi ko na maalala because we are looking at a 5-minute time frame here at this moment. So nag-enter ako ng dalawang entry here, and this is my first TP, itong linya na to, and then this is my second TP. So basically dalawang entry yung ginagawa ko. Again, I was able to take profit here, and this is a good trade for me. Another trade is this one. So basically we can see that there is a symmetrical triangle in here. Naglagay ako ng symmetrical triangle, and unfortunately I got stopped out. I think nakikita nyo naman kung ano yung mali ko dito sa part na to. So nag-enter ako ng long dito na it's in the upper trend line ng triangle, which is wrong because again nasa taas na siya ng upper trend line ng triangle. So if this is trading within the triangle, it should be trading within the triangle lang. So this is a bad trade. Nag-enter ako ng long dito, and as you can see, ilang candlesticks lang na-stop out na ako. So ano to? Bad trade ito. I thought na it's actually trying to go up, but then again, ayun nga. As we can see na there are several wicks here na parang nire-reject na yung area na to. So ayun nga. This is a bad trade. Another trade is this one. So I was able to enter a long here. As you can see, sobrang laki ng aking stop loss area dito. I think I was looking at a higher time frame on this part. But anyway, I entered a long here is simply because as you can see, itong linya na to, guys, this is a key level for me. So as you can see, tinouch niya lang itong candlestick na to. Tinouch niya lang yung area of value or itong key level na nilagay ko. So that's one indicator for me na ano siya, natataas siya. So it touched the key level for me, and then as we can see that there is a bullish engulfing candle. So that's why nag-enter ako ng long agad in this part. And then again, as you can see, masyadong malaki yung SL area ko dito is because I was still expecting na kung bubutasin niya itong part na to, is bubutasin niya pa ng kaunti. So, kaya masyadong malaki yung SL area ko dito. I was able to take profit here, but I think kinlose ko siya dito in this part. I think kinlose ko siya kasi I was able to see that it's trying to go down, and hindi siya masyadong tumaas agad. I think hindi ko na take profit yung whole TP area ko dito, but I think it's fine because somehow I was able to take profit here. So okay lang yon. And ayun, 1:1 lang yung ginawa ko munang risk-reward ratio dito is because I was kind of conservative as well in this part. Lalo na kapag nagtitrade ako ng reversals, mostly ginagawa ko 1:1 lang muna yung aking risk-reward ratio. Yun na pala yung last trade ko, guys. So, let me show you the results. Konti lang yung trade ko for the last week of Feb. 8 trades lang ako. So, 4 wins and then 4 losses. Profit ko for the last week of Feb is $97. So, overall in my account is 15,000 pesos or $261. So, medyo malayo pa ang aking kailangang abutin para ma-reach yung aking 1,000 USD na buying power sa aking account. So, ang win rate ko is 43%. So, next week, hopefully, marami pa akong ma-gain na profit, and I will focus more on checking for the setup, and hindi ako basta-basta mag-enter ng trades. If may nakita akong setup na maganda, saka lang ako mag-enter. Yun lang muna, guys, for today or for this week. Thank you.